Hi everyone, welcome back to KnowHow. In today's video, I'm going to show you a super simple way to autofill dates in Excel without using any formula. So here for example we have the date. To create the autofill series of the date, first we need to go to the Home tab and then we will move to this editing section, and here I will click this button right next to this fill option. So when I click it, I get these options. Here I will select the series. When I click series, this series dialog box open. Here first in the series I will select columns. Then in the type I will select date, and the next thing is the day. After this I will keep selected the step value to 1 and the stop value to 1/31/2025. Press OK. So you can see that it has created me the list of all the days in the month of January. I'm going to press Ctrl Z. Again, if I go to this fill option, now this time if I only need the weekdays, I will select this column, then date, and then the weekday. We'll set stop value to 1/31/2025 and then press OK. Now we can see that after 3rd January we have the date of 6th January. It means the autofill series has automatically skipped the 4th and 5th January. We can also confirm this from the calendar that on 4th and 5th January there is Saturday and Sunday. Therefore it is not included in this list. Next, if we want to create the series of months, so this time again I will select columns, and in the date unit I will select months. Here I have to write the stop value date and then click OK. So here we can see that the Excel has made the list of month for us. Again I will press Ctrl Z. Now to create the series of year, again I will select it column and then I will click year, and this time if for example I need a step value, so I will select 2. When I select the step value to 2, it means it will include every alternate year in the list. And the stop value I will select 1/1/2030 and then click OK. So now you can see that the list include the every alternate year because I have selected the step value to 2. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip on autofilling dates in Excel. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to KnowHow for more useful tips and tricks. Hit that bell icon so you never misses an update. Until next time, happy spreadsheeting.